Hello, let's move on. And one of the main features of Keitaro is, of course, reports here. You may check them in terms of dashboard, in terms of campaigns here, in terms of landing pages here, in terms of affiliate networks, offers, and so on. So here in Keitaro we've put a separate block reports, and I want to discuss first of all reports clicks. Here it is. This is a workspace that displays all the clicks that come from the campaigns that you run using Keitaro. I call this report clicks characteristics and traffic quality report, and that is why. You'll see over 100 characteristics of each click. You may manage them here, add needed ones, and remove. From here, from these characteristics, you understand the characteristics of your audience, and you might highlight segments using variety of these characteristics. And one more, for sure, it's very important to see if the traffic characteristics are correspond to the traffic which you are expecting to see by your campaigns, the traffic which you are paying for. So as well, you might check this data here. On the basis of each of the characteristics, you can see how many leads you had, for example, from desktops. You need just set specific filters here, choose leads and device type equals desktop computer, and you will see clicks only which bring you actual leads from clicks and which were made from desktop computer. Here, device type desktop. If we remove these filters, we will display every single click which Keitaro received without any limitation or filtration. Let's get back filters again, bot and device type equals desktop computer. And now we may see a lot of different characteristics about these leads, which you may use to create new segment based on these already pretty good clicks which brings you leads. So a lot of the characteristics here, except device type, its connection type, browser, operation system, city, country, a lot of UTM tags you may check here, add campaign ID, external ID, creative, a lot of them, and technical characteristics such as user agent, OS version, so a lot of technical data, IP, and a lot of different information you may add from this list. For sure, everyone will find the usefulness of this report themselves in their own, but the basic description of this section is a report on the characteristics of clicks and the quality of traffic, by the reasons we've discussed here previously. So let's move on to the next section in the next video. Bye.